Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make these delicious crispy hot honey chicken wings. These are delicious and perfect for football season. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is pat the chicken wings with a paper towel. We want to make sure there is no moisture on the chicken. Less moisture equals crispier chicken wings. We're using about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings for this recipe. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the chicken wings and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The cornstarch and baking powder will make the chicken wings crispy. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And then season with a generous amount of salt and black pepper to your taste. Go ahead and toss everything together very well. Make sure every single piece of chicken is well coated in the spices. Next, you're going to grab a large baking sheet, then place a large baking rack over it. Arrange the chicken wings onto the baking rack over the baking pan. Make sure you're spacing them out, that way the chicken can crisp up very well. If there's any leftover spices in the pan, make sure you sprinkle it all over the chicken wings. Next, we're going to spray the chicken wings with olive oil spray. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Before you place the chicken wings into the oven, reduce the oven temperature from 450 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the wings into the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Halfway through the baking time, you're going to take out your chicken, then flip them. Once you're done flipping all the chicken, you're going to spray them with the oil spray. Place them back into the oven and let them finish baking. In the meantime, we're going to make the hot honey sauce. First, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add half a cup of your favorite hot sauce, half cup of honey, and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Mix everything together very well, then allow the sauce to cook and simmer for about a minute. That way all the flavors can come together. Take the sauce off the heat, then set it aside for later. By this time, the chicken wings should be done baking. They have an amazing flavor and they're crispy on the outside. Transfer the chicken wings into a large mixing bowl, then pour the hot honey sauce all over them. Go ahead and toss the chicken wings in the sauce. Make sure every single wing is very well coated in the hot honey sauce. Pour the wings out onto a server. Make sure you have a little bit of the hot honey sauce set aside for dipping. These wings came out so good. The hot honey sauce is not very spicy. It has a sweet, tangy flavor that goes so well with the chicken. The wings are flavorful, juicy, and delicious. Perfect for Sunday football. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.